What is Halloween? Fun English conversation, spooky vocabulary. Jack, why does everyone have skeletons in their yards? And, why are pumpkins glowing?
Emma, you've just stepped into the spookiest night of the year, Halloween.
Halloween? Oh, I've heard about it, but, what is it exactly?
Well, let me tell you a story that goes back hundreds of years.
Let's learn about Halloween, history, fun, and spooky traditions.
Halloween started in Ireland a very long time ago. It came from an ancient Celtic festival called Samhain, pronounced Samhain.
Samhain? What does that mean?
It marked the end of summer and the beginning of winter. People believed that, on that night, the line between the living and the dead became blurry.
Wait, so they thought spirits came back?
Exactly. To protect themselves, people wore scary costumes and lit fires to keep evil spirits away.
Ah, so that's why people still wear costumes today.
You got it. It's a tradition that survived for hundreds of years.
What about now? What do people do on Halloween today?
Oh, so many fun things. People decorate their houses with pumpkins, ghosts, and spider webs.
I love those pumpkins. What are they called again?
Jack-o'-lanterns. People carve faces into pumpkins and put candles inside them.
That's amazing. And I've heard kids say trick or treat. What does it mean?
That's my favorite part. Kids dress up, go from house to house, and say trick or treat. Adults give them candy.
Sounds like so much fun. Do adults join too?
Of course, many adults go to parties, wear funny or scary costumes, and even decorate their offices.
I'd love to go to a Halloween party someday. Jack, do people celebrate Halloween everywhere?
Not everywhere, but it's super popular in the US, Canada, and the UK. Some other countries are starting to love it too.
Do people eat special food?
Yes. They eat candy, caramel apples, and sometimes pumpkin pie.
That sounds delicious. But what about scary movies?
Oh yeah, watching horror movies is another Halloween tradition. But if you don't like scary stuff, you can just enjoy the sweets.
No scary movies for me. I'll stick to candy and laughter.
Remember, Halloween isn't just about ghosts or fear. It's about imagination, fun, and being together.
That's beautiful. Thanks, Jack. Now I finally understand what Halloween really means.
You're welcome. So, what will you dress up as this year?
Maybe a friendly witch. What about you?
A pumpkin, of course.
Perfect. Let's make this Halloween unforgettable. Happy Halloween from Learn English Easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn English with us every week.